The out-of-range error on your ASUS monitor means it's receiving a video signal it can't handle, usually due to incompatible resolution or refresh rate settings. This often happens when gaming, overclocking, or connecting new devices, especially with high refresh rate gaming monitors. If it can't sync properly, it triggers the error to protect the hardware. Key causes include exceeding the monitor's native resolution, for example, sending a 4K signal to a 1080p monitor, or setting an unsupported refresh rate, for example, a 120 Hz signal to a 60 Hz monitor. Firmware updates from ASUS have reduced these issues, particularly for models like the ROG Swift PG259QN and Tough Gaming VG289Q when paired with newer GPUs. When paired with newer GPUs like NVIDIA's RTX 40 series and AMD's RX 7000 series. However, budget models still report issues due to HDMI limitations. To resolve the out-of-range error, focus on adjusting your resolution and refresh rate settings. First, try booting your computer into safe mode, which uses default display settings, or accessing the monitor's on-screen display OSD to reset the settings directly. Next, adjust these settings via your GPU software, such as NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon settings. Ensure your resolution matches what your monitor supports. For example, set it to 1920 by 1080 for a full HD monitor. Similarly, set the refresh rate to a supported value, like 60 Hz or 144 Hz, depending on your monitor's capabilities. Also, check your cable connection. Use DisplayPort for high refresh rates, as HDMI 1.4 might not support 4K at 120 Hz. If problems persist, consider updating your monitor's firmware from the ASUS support website, and always verify that your monitor settings are set for the supported EDD.